Hello, inflatable fans. Today, I'm going to do something a bit daft, just for fun. You might have seen the little short video that I did where I inflated this dry suit.
Sometimes people wonder whether dry suits are airtight / watertight. Let's find out, shall we? Let's put a pump in and see how tight this thing is. I think that's a yeah.
Kind of want to try that in the water. All right, I'm full. Go and get the camera up. I think that's worked.
Yeah. Question is, can you stand up all right now with all that buoyancy?
If I do, the suit will fart. I am the raft. I am a portable pack raft.
Well, I'm not climbing on top of you with an oar to paddle down the river.
Hey, it's not bad, this.
It's not.
Tell me when I'm about to hit my head.
You're about 4 foot away from edge, 2 feet away, 1.5 away, foot away, inches away.
Hang on. That's it, I've gone down. There's always some daft sod in the world, isn't there? It's usually me. Alright, if you've enjoyed this, you know what to do about liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.
Ta-ra for now.